Antigamente, a moda era passar o tempo com o próprio umbigo. Mas graças ao Lord Summersby, o culto do eu arrefeceu. E todos começaram a divertir-se só por estarem juntos. Pelo menos foi o que ouvimos dizer. Summersby é fruto da tua imaginação.
Germany, 1939. In a secret bunker on the German-Polish border, Nazi agents were overseeing the production of a recently discovered chemical they'd codenamed Substance N. It boiled when they exposed it to air, it exploded when it touched water, it was lethal when inhaled, and when it decomposed, it spit out deadly hydrofluoric acid. When loaded into a flamethrower and ignited, it could burn at temperatures over 2,400 degrees Celsius. The plan was to arm troops with Substance N and use it to melt Allied bunkers into hot porridge. But then after studying it for a while, even the German soldiers were like, whoa. Experiments with Substance N were discontinued because the Nazis decided it was too dangerous to work with. Should give you some kind of sense of what we're dealing with here when we talk about the most dangerous chemicals in the world. I'm talking about things that explode when you touch them. Things so poisonous that if even a millionth of a gram went up your nose, it would end up killing you. Things that could even disable you because of their totally debilitatingly horrifying smell. And yes, chemicals so severe that even the Nazis thought they were crazy. Let's start with what the Germans had in that secret weapons bunker. They originally planned to produce 90 tons of the stuff every month, but only made about 30 tons throughout the whole war. What they'd concocted was chlorine trifluoride, the most vigorous fluorinating agent known to humanity. Fluorinating agents rip other molecules apart to replace their hydrogen atoms with fluorine. The result is what chemists call a violently exothermic reaction, in this case known as a fluorine fire. It's much more dangerous to handle than even fluorine gas, which, as anyone with a degree in chemistry could tell you, is not a sentence that you get to say very often. It's also a better oxidizer than oxygen. Oxidizers are compounds that steal electrons from other chemicals in a reaction, and they are what make combustion possible. Chlorine trifluoride is so good at this that it can burn stuff that sane people might think of as non-flammable, like bricks or asbestos, or things that have already been burned. Oxidizers are also used to ignite rocket fuel, and in the very short time that U.S. rocket scientists thought about using this stuff as a propellant, they quickly learned that this idea was bad. In the early 1950s, the first time that U.S. scientists tried to ship chlorine trifluoride in bulk, the steel tank cracked and a full ton of it spilled out. It burned so hot that the chemical ate through an entire concrete floor, and then a meter of dirt and gravel beneath that. One eyewitness described the spill only by saying, "The concrete was on fire." Chlorine trifluoride is still manufactured and is used by semiconductor companies to clean their equipment to within an inch of its life. The good news is that you can store it safely in a regular steel drum, as long as it's airtight and you're really, really careful, because it instantly scorches the inside lining of the container, leaving behind a non-reactive plating of metallic fluoride. Non-reactive is not a word that we're going to need when discussing the next chemical on our list, azidoazide azide, the most explosive